Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little haul. I just wanna share some new things that I received recently, some stuff that I ordered that came in, and just some products that I'm like really enjoying that I want to share with you guys. And yeah, so it's just gonna be a little haul today. So I do have quite a few things that I want to share with you. So I'm gonna first start with some new body and skincare products that I received from NECESSAIRE. I did recently partner with NECESSAIRE, which is like a dream. I've been using their products for a while now and I'm literally obsessed. And so when they reached out to me to partner, I about fell out. So I'm so grateful and I'm so appreciative. They recently sent me some of their new products and I want to share them with you guys. So they just launched their NECESSAIRE neck serum. I mean, talk about luxurious. So this is their newest product that they just launched. And I have not tried it yet because I literally just got it in the mail. So I will be trying it tonight when I do my skincare routine for the night. Visibly improves the look of lines, firmness, tightness, crepiness, hydration, and radiance. It has multi-peptide. It's a multi-hydration. It has squalene, rose water, niacinamide. I love squalene, so that's great. It's fragrance free. And yeah, so I am very, very, very excited to try out this neck serum. And I will definitely let you guys know how I like it. But I mean, I love all of NECESSAIRE's products. So I do want to kind of just like test it. So that's how it looks. Come on. Yeah, it is fragrance free. It doesn't smell like anything. So yeah, I'm excited about this. All right, so that's the first product that I got. And then they sent me a eucalyptus body wash, which I love. And I had mentioned to you guys that I have been using the bergamot scent. And I love the bergamot scent, but I think the eucalyptus is my favorite. Like if I had to pick one, eucalyptus would be it. It's just like a spa. Every time I use it, I feel like I am in a spa. And so yeah, I love the eucalyptus. So they sent me that. And then they sent me the body serum, which I am so happy because I use this stuff every single day. Like day and night. Anytime I take a shower, as soon as I get out the shower, I put this on before I do my moisturizer, and my skin always looks so glowy and feels so good. So I highly recommend getting the body serum if you've been wanting to try it out. It's so good. I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. So I'm so happy that they sent me that. And then they also sent me their new the body lotion in the eucalyptus. And this is a limited edition, the fragrance free one. I just use that one on my hands. I don't care for it on my body. It doesn't have a scent. But I'm really excited to try out the eucalyptus one because I love the eucalyptus scent, like I said. And so I'm hoping this body lotion does not disappoint. Let me see. I just want to see. Whoa. Wow. It smells literally just like the body wash. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. If you want to smell like the spa all day, this is it. It's not greasy. Yeah, this is nice. If you like the eucalyptus body wash, you're gonna love this. It smells so good. And I also got the NECESSAIRE the hand cream. Now I've never tried the hand cream before, but so many people rave about this. So the hand cream is a fast absorbing daily peptide and multivitamin moisturizer. Apply all over hands, massage until absorbed. So Very nice. So those were all the products that I got from Necessaire. Thank you, Necessaire, so much. I do have a 10% off code for you guys. I'll link it below. It's just Happy Stylish Mommy. But yeah, if there are some products that you have been wanting to try from the Necessaire brand, definitely go and check them out. Also, like I said, the eucalyptus body lotion is a limited edition. So if you want to try this out, head over, use my code so you can get some additional savings. But this smells so good, like so good. Like, I'm excited to try that out on my body. So maybe when I shower tonight, I'll try that out. I'll let you guys know how I like it. But I think the lotion combined with the serum, I think it's gonna be good. So yeah, those were the items that I received from Necessaire. Moving on to some stuff that I ordered that came in. I did recently pick up the Gucci bronzer because I needed a new bronzer. The one I use right now is NARS and it's completely out, so I needed to get a new bronzer. So I got this one, and how cute is this packaging? So it comes in this little like velvet little pouch, and so pretty. So this is number 4 bronzer powder. I did test it out today. I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys probably can't tell, but I used it today and I really like it. Here's how it looks. And then comes with a little brush underneath, which is super cute. So yes, this is a keeper and it's just so cute. So I got that. And then if you guys remember in my what's in my bag video, I had mentioned that my Chanel hand cream, the white one, had started to like, I don't know if like dye from my bag turned it black, but it just didn't look good anymore. I still have it, but I'm just keeping it in my bathroom now. But this one I wanted to get for my purse. And one of you suggested that I get the black one because the white ones just do that. And I've had the white one before and it's never done that. So yeah, that's why I was, you know, kind of surprised that that happened. But I've heard really good things about this black one. So I picked this up. I had some gift cards from my birthday and also for Mother's Day. And just looks like that. So very nice. Yeah, so this is going to go in my bag now, and I'm just gonna keep the white one in my bathroom because until it's gone, and then I'll just toss it out. But so yeah, pick those up. And then I got some SKIMS stuff. SKIMS launched their new line. I don't know the name of it, but I didn't go on there for that. It was like the boyfriend line or something. I didn't go on there for that. I just wanted to get some new SKIMS. I wanted to get some shorts because I don't have any shorts. I have all of their like leggings, but I don't have any shorts, so I wanted to try those. And so put in an order. All right, so I think I got one thing from the new line, but I mainly just wanted some, you know, tanks and shorts. So the tanks I got look like this. They're just like cropped muscle tanks. And I like this color too, so I got it in this color, and then I got it in gray, and I got all this in size medium. And then I got the matching shorts as well. So yeah, these are the little sets that I got. And then this I got I think this is from the launch. This tank, it kind of has, I'll pop up a photo so you guys can see how it looks. But it has like this like extra little thin strap here. I just thought this was so cute. They also have this in a top, and I think they have a dress too that was really, really cute. But I got that, and then I just got some black shorts too. Yeah, so I got these to go with this top. So these are ribbed. These are just cotton. So yeah, those are the items that I got from SKIMS. I wanted a pair of slides that didn't look like Nike slides or Adidas slides, but still had that look, but kind of elevated, because I want something that I can just like wear every day, but still look put together. And so I saw these on the Jimmy Choo site. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna try them out. So here's the dust bag. And they're so, so cute. So cute. So here they are. And these are from the Jimmy Choo Pearl line. They're so cute. So they do have like a Velcro top. Like that. And I just thought these were cute. So yeah, on the inside, I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Jimmy Choo there. And this is leather in here. But I just thought they were so, so cute. And I love that they have like the Velcro strap adjustment, so you can make them tighter or looser. So yeah, I got those. Like these would be really cute with this dress that I'm wearing, for an example. Like I can just throw these on and it kind of elevates the looks so they don't look too casual. But you can also throw these on with like some joggers. You can throw these on with like some biker shorts, some leggings, and it just elevates your look a little bit, but still casual. So yeah, I'm really happy with them, and I love the pearls. Like the pearls is my favorite part. I love the little pearl detailing. And they're very understated. You know, it's kind of like if you know, you know. Gucci had a pair of pearl slides some years ago, and I thought those were super cute, but they had like the Gucci logo all over it. And I didn't want anything like that in a slide. I just wanted something simple. And it does also have Jimmy Choo on the back. When I first ordered them, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep them, but now that I'm looking at them, I think I want to keep them. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm back. We got PJ here with us. He just woke up from his nap. But last item I want to share with you guys. I ordered a couple pair of sunglasses from Free People. You guys know I love Free People sunglasses. They're so affordable, they're so chic, and they're so nice. So these are the Ventura oversized aviators in green. Let me just show you guys how they look before I put them on. Very nice. Very nice. So I got these. Also got them in, it says ivory on here, but they look like they have a little pink in them too. But they're the same exact sunglasses, just a different color. And I just wanted something different. So I got them in this color too, which I thought was fun. These I plan on doing like just at the pool, you know. Don't have anything like this, so I got those. This green is like my favorite. I love these. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you all in this little haul. I will link everything below for you guys so that you can check them out. Also, I did pick a winner for the Jeulia Mother's Day giveaway, so check in the description box there and shoot me an email so that I can get that sent over to them so that they can give you your jewelry piece. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.